Today we are going to sample two different Bloody Mary mixes, both from Spooky. And if you would like to know what to serve with your Bloody Mary, check out my blog article titled The Top 10 Garnishes to Serve with Your Bloody Mary. Links in the description down below. For now,
on with the show.
Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to sample Spooky Classic and Spooky Dill Pickle. Now I've never had either one of these. They look good. It's got a lot of ingredients in it. But, you know me, I like to sample these ahead of time just so I can get an idea of what they're going to taste like before we mix it with alcohol. So the first thing we're going to do, let's get these unwrapped and let's get a sample out here. So let's see what these taste like before we add alcohol. This one here is a Spooky Classic. You definitely got spices. It's definitely got the Worcestershire sauce in it. Flavor's not bad, actually. It's pretty tomatoey, but spices were really in there. Let's try the dill. You know, there is a dill in there, but it's very subtle. Very subtle dill. That's actually not bad. Let's make a Bloody Mary with these. We'll see what they taste like. First up, let's make one for the Spooky. Spooky Classic, I should say. A little ice in here. These are not refrigerated, so I'm probably going to get a good melt here on the ice. I don't need to pour too much of that in there. Now for Spooky Classic, I'm just going to use my go-to vodka. It's Grey Goose. You can use whatever vodka you like. And I'm guessing these also, I think the bottle of Spooky tells you an estimated how much they recommend. That's a Spooky Classic. Alright, same way, we'll start with ice. I did rinse this out first, just to make a fair comparison. And again, this one is also not refrigerated, so we will get a decent amount of melt on that ice. For this one, I'm actually going to use my Big Dill Pickle. My Big Pickle, sorry. It is a dill pickle flavored vodka. And I think it might complement this rather well. Again, I'm just guessing on the amounts. Try to get those nice and cold. And there we go. All right. For the looks from the outside, they look about the same. Spooky Classic's all right. Oh wow, that pickle really pops now. That really did it. Now, I kind of cheated because I used a pickle flavored vodka. But my Big Pickle, the pickle aroma is stronger and the pickle flavor is stronger. I like that one better. Absolutely. This one right here needs probably some pickle. and a little bit of heat, a little bit of spice to it. It has spice, but the forward spice on this is the Worcestershire sauce. I'm not really getting a lot of horseradish. And there's no kind of brine in it at all. So a little pickle brine or olive brine, something like that, would really liven that one up. A little bit of horseradish. For me, the brine and the horseradish really set your Bloody Mary off. But the dill pickle, that's actually viable. I'd actually recommend buying that one. The Spooky Classic, if you see these side by side, you wanted to pick one to try it, dill pickle. That's it. I actually like the dill pickle. The classic, I can take it or leave it. I won't waste it, but I won't buy it again either. And that's it. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button down below. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. I really need subscribers. I'll leave links down below to my blog sites. Thank you, and you have a great night.
I am not touching that.